Today we're going to do some keto baking. We're making keto zucchini muffins with chocolate chips. These zucchini muffins are lightly sweetened with the cozy taste of cinnamon and nutmeg and burst of sweetness from keto chocolate chips. They're a perfect breakfast or on-the-go snack, and with only 1 net carb each, you don't have to feel guilty. So we're just going to start by combining all of the dry ingredients in a large bowl. And to see all the details and the full printable recipe, I will have a link to it in the description below. And if you're on a mobile device, just click the title of the recipe for the description to show up. So we're going to start by adding blanched almond flour, some ground flax seeds, nutmeg, baking soda, baking powder, ground cinnamon, a pinch of sea salt, and some granulated keto sweetener. I'm using an erythritol-based keto sweetener for this recipe. And so now we just need to whisk it all together, and if there's any clumps, you can use your fingers to break them up, or you can even run it through a sifter if you would prefer. After the dry ingredients are all combined, we're going to add the wet ingredients to a separate bowl. We have 5 large eggs, avocado oil, and a teaspoon of pure vanilla. We'll just whisk this until everything's combined and the eggs are all broken up. Then just pour the wet ingredients into the dry and mix with a wooden spoon until everything is well combined. And this wouldn't be zucchini bread without some grated zucchini. And so this just calls for about 1 medium zucchini, and then you can just measure out about 1 cup, a packed cup, doesn't have to be exact. And then zucchini holds quite a bit of water, and we like some of the water because it helps with the moisture in the muffins, but we do want to blot some of the excess so it doesn't make them too wet. Okay, so we'll just take a paper towel and kind of blot it dry, and we'll add this to our batter along with some keto chocolate chips. For the chocolate chips, I really like Choc Zero. They are my very favorite. They taste the best to me. They don't have soy. The dark ones don't have milk if that's important for your diet. But you can use any low-carb chocolate chips that you like. So we'll just get this all mixed in really well. And now we'll put the batter into a lined muffin tin. So I'm making muffins today, so I lined a cupcake tin with cupcake liners, but you can also make zucchini bread out of this also, and I will have all the details on how to make it into a loaf of bread on my website, and again, the link to my website is in the description below. After I get these all divided among the muffin cups, we're just going to bake these at 350 degrees for 22 to 25 minutes or until they're nicely browned on top and spring back to the touch. Wow, these look and smell just so delicious. These will be perfect for breakfast in the morning or just a grab-and-go snack. And they also freeze beautifully, so you can just freeze them and then just pop them in the microwave, and they're just delicious. I can't wait to try them. Yeah, they have perfect texture with a burst of sweetness from the chocolate chips and the hidden zucchini in case you're making these for your kids and they don't like to eat their vegetables. It's a great way to sneak some vegetables into their diet. If you get the chance to make these or have any questions for me, please let me know in the comments below. And if you liked this recipe and would like to see more keto and paleo recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell below to be alerted each time we post a new video. Thanks for watching.